Ancient history, in literal terms, means the history of the distant past. It generally encompasses the beginning of recorded history, and therefore the invention of writing, to around 500 AD, or the beginning of the post-classical period. When I was in university, one of my areas of study was ancient history. However, we often use ancient history as a hyperbolic idiom. Meaning of the English idiom, ancient history. Saying something is ancient history is often an exaggerated way of saying it is in the past. Someone or something from the past that is no longer important or that is forgotten. I used to be in a band, but that's ancient history. Ancient history is also used in a similar way to the idiom water under the bridge. It is a way of saying that a disagreement, argument, etc. is in the past and should be put behind us as there is no way to change it. Generally, the allusion in this idiom is that something should be forgotten about, is uninteresting, or is not worth discussing. As well, people use this idiom to dismiss subjects that they just don't want to talk about. Keep in mind that a long time ago in this idiom is often a gross exaggeration. A person might claim that something that happened 5 years ago or even a few weeks ago is ancient history. And the idiom is often used in regards to past relationships. Examples of use. Are you still trying to get a job as a reporter? Asked Sherry. Oh, that's ancient history. I want to be an actor now. Randall is ancient history. I broke up with him 6 weeks ago. Yes, I served in the military when I was younger, but that's all ancient history. Well, a lot has happened since we last saw each other. I changed careers and I got a divorce. But you don't want to hear about ancient history. What's been going on with you? We butted heads on the last job. Are we going to have a problem on this one? Asked Tom. That's ancient history. Forget about it, replied Dan. Origin of idiom. Ancient history has been used in this exaggerated way since at least the 1870s.